It is official. Congress has G-stamped Biden into the White House, and we're seeing U.S. stocks hit a record into the close. Let's turn to the Forex, where we are focusing on the Aussie today. It's under pressure. Short positions below 0.7780 favored. Targets at 0.7710 and 0.7685 in extension. The euro dollar is under pressure. The pound under pressure as well, but the dollar yen is heading higher. Taking a look at Bitcoin, we are seeing some major upswings in Bitcoin reaching 37,445, and it is above its upper Bollinger Band. Gold, however, is turning lower. Short positions below 1,927.50 favored. Targets at 1,900 and 1,890 in extension. Follow Trading Central on Twitter for all of your Forex market updates. For Trading Central Web TV, I'm Olivia Vaz.